No. The water still doesn't work, so we are not sure what is wrong. We did open the taps and everything. Now, okay. Now, zijn jullie klaar voor? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the generous pump installation with a tank here and a tank there, but it doesn't work. So to be continued. See you somewhere in town. Well, Tally City town. Yes? Yes, right?
Yes.
Oh, by the way, who are we?
We're the RodVivKids family vloggers.
From Philippines.
What? You sound like the lobster from SpongeBob. What's not a lobster? What is it?
Crab.
Crab. No, yeah, same. Almost same. See you in a bit.
If you search your soul, there's no need for pretending. We got something that I wanna talk about now tonight.
The way to the mechanic.
Because we're going to pick up the Jeepney that we had prepared and stuff.
Yeah, I said it already, yeah. So, and we're gonna bless them. We're gonna pay their bill. So some people buy up their the stuff from vendors. Well, we want to do a lot of nice things as well. Apart from making family vlogs, we also want to do some. Oh, hello. How are you? Hello. Kamusta ka? Always more fun in the Philippines. Filipinos are very friendly people. So this is actually the Caizano and Robinson Caizano parking place with all the tricycles here. And if you have nothing to do, why not just take a nap? Yes, so you can sleep. Hello. Oh, this one is just hanging. Everyone is sleeping is hanging. Hey, hello. La 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 la. No. Okay. I'm not sure if you said it already. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Do not forget to
Hit the notification button
the Christmas bell and
Share.
try again. Because sharing is caring. Oh, that one is from the advertisements that you also see in our vlogs. Very nice. I want to try that one. Let's go. Always busy in the Philippines. Huh? Some Westerner at the back of me. Hello, hello. Yes, hello. And Toron again. Do not smoke, guys. Do not smoke. It's not good for your health. Waste your money, waste your health, and you will die sooner and not nicer. We always say, if God wanted you to smoke, He would have put a chimney on top of your head, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Good job.
And we've lived around here for around 2 months at the beginning of this year.
Yeah.
You saw that in the vlog as well.
Yeah, it's the same. Oops. It's the same jeepney, yeah, that we're using as we used in middle of January until beginning of March. And at that time we also fixed up the jeepney and blessed them with it. Helped. We paid the bill. And then again, it's not about us. We don't usually say these things. In that vlog we also didn't mention that we do it. But because it's a trend that YouTubers are going around doing good, we thought maybe we should also vlog a little bit. So, oh, nice car. Yes, all black windows. So we're gonna pick up the jeepney, and then hopefully it's nicely, smoothly doing again, and we can do some road trips. Yes, hello.
If you like it, subscribe!
Okay, if you like it, that was not. Please do not subscribe to our channel if you don't tend to come back. But if you tend to come back, hi, then enjoy subscribing and watching on a daily basis. Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And in a little while we're also going to Western Union to get some
Money.
What? Money from Uncle Rick.
Yes.
Yes, he was able to fix the problem with the Western Union in the States.
And now Moriah and Abby just have to figure out what to do.
Yeah, because the money is for what?
for Moriah, got some money, and Evie got some money for them to treat the rest of the family to something fun or
Yeah, something that we really enjoy eating or something. He said, up to you guys. So it's a very nice way of giving something.
Yeah.
This is the place from the mechanic. So we have to be here. Do you see it already?
No, I don't see it yet.
Hey, me also not. Oh, oh, it's inside there. Oh, they have to remove a few cars. Now get inside first. Look at this nice old tree. A nice light. Look at the light, Samuel. Beautiful light. Yes. Now let's see. There is the car. What is it? Yes, here's the car. Yes. No. Hello. How are you?
Okay.
Yes, it's okay. Fine.
Yeah, then last Sunday.
Last Sunday already?
Yeah.
Ah, serious?
Yeah.
Daryl tried to catch up with you, but in the evening he comes like 6 o'clock in the evening. I think you're gone already, yeah? He said in the morning like 8 o'clock, you're not here yet? That's what he said.
Because I'm here 6:30 in the morning.
6 in the morning? Serious? Daryl, uncle is already here 6, 7 in the morning. So maybe you should have walked inside. Yes? So. Oh, I should have asked you also the window. The window doesn't go up, huh? Go there, you fix it. Oh, nice. That's good. But this is terrible, huh? Oh, there's mosquitoes going in the morning. Sounds better already. And what about this creaking noise? Remember we did a road trip to Oslo, Kawasan Falls and everything? We didn't take it to Bohol. Maybe this time we can. You can go all the way up now. Oh, nice. Because it's raining. They don't fix it. How do they can use it? Thanks on all the work. We're gonna sleep in this one again also, no? The water pump? Oh, okay, this one was broken, so we can film from here maybe. Or...
This one?
And
The hydro pump. We did not replace it, but we have to repair.
with
It's
French.
already, yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, sounds good. Oh, dan mosquitoes. And mosquitoes bite me. That's right. Now, see you in a bit. Food, see?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you, uncle. Very nice. So, can you explain the costs? Yeah. Yeah? Now, let's see.
The forest garage.
Forest garage. Yes, nice huh, here. I love this. Better than the house we're staying in right now. This is more natural. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's fine like that. Thanks. The 50 you can eat ice cream. Alright, thank you so much. Huh?
Okay.
Yep. Yes, thank you so much. What's your name? Hey, do you have
See you later.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh. Oh, you put the next another one. Okay.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. but you kept me far
Is there
away
any way,
from my focus.
maybe next week, to put this seat different so there's more leg space? Yeah. Do you have any idea how to do? What about
Made of stars above, made to fall.
200? Oh, it drives so nice now. It costs 7,000. Actually, he said 5,000, but then he has to refurnish something. If he would have replaced something, that part I forgot. This part, something else. If we would have needed to replace that with a real part, it would have cost a few thousand extra until 10,000. So, yeah, but it's dirty. So at least they are blessed. And actually, I asked him to put original. If he could fix something with the seats, because we can see this is just. I can hardly sit there. I can't even use my sandals. Because if I use my sandals, I can't sit in here. So, but it will cost another 4,000. So I'm not sure. I'm not willing to do that actually. So it would be my own car. It's different, but I don't think I want to do that because usually it's only Daryl and some other people from the church. I drive in it. But oh, Samuel, it's so smooth. The gas accelerator was always going like, and now it's like, woo, it's nice, very nice. Then the window can close now. It couldn't close, and when it was raining, all the seats are always dirty. So I might actually consider still getting them the original chairs, but maybe next month. We'll see. Now we're going to Western Union right now to see if we can get the money from Uncle Rick. Again, thank you so much, gracias, Rick. And we are encourager for us. So, and after that, I'm not sure I know what to do. But first, and we're gonna pick up the rest of the family. He's also somewhere here, alright? Yeah. See you later. Hey.
See you later.
Robinson. Soon we are going to show you also Robinson in a vlog. So don't worry, you get to see everything from Tabuno. And this week, the brothers are going to visit the Philippines family. I haven't seen them since they're back. And it's her mom's birthday, so I'm not sure. I think she's in Cebu, not in Butuan. So if I'm not mistaken. To get out. It would be my car for sure. I will probably change the seats after like a month or something, save up some money and then change the tires. Because we want to bless them, but it's not like that we are like other YouTubers that make a lot of money with our vlogs, because we don't. Until now it's only just we can buy some ice cream, and maybe now that the vlogs are going a bit better, includes some veggies.
Ice cream and
So, if you
vegetables.
wanted to go better with us, we share our vlogs. Yeah, now we're going to Western Union. Ooh, nice. There we're going.
We are walking back over the tricycle Jeepney Park, and the Jeepney drop off their passengers.
Yes, and we have some very cheerful people at the back here. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Who says so? Who says so?
Dora is shy.
She's shy, or you also, eh? Why?
Dora.
So she's Jora, and your name is?
Winnie.
Winnie. Oh, still commotion. Always fun. This is just, at the moment we're just filming with a telephone and not even with a camera, but it already makes people shy. Bye bye. Yes. Thank you. Welcome. That's where we're going. We have to be here. Now let's try this. Western Union. Where's it? Western Union? Seems to work now.
Yeah, right.
Longer than his hand.
quiet.
It's time to call it quits. The kitchen tap is broken.
Hoshaiah.
Oh yeah?
That's the wrong one. This is Hoshaiah.
Oh, dit is Jedaiah. Was Hoshaiah? Oh ja, Hoshaiah. Wrong. Bye bye. Bye bye, Hoshaiah. Hey, what kind of t-shirt are you wearing? Jinky? Scott and Jinky from Bangkok. Yes, right? Shout out to them. Hello.
This is the money for Uncle Rich.
So, do you know already what you're gonna do?
We're still thinking about it.
Yeah, they're discussing it, and then we will make a nice vlog from it. Yes?
Maybe
So-
buy some of this.
Hey, but let's go to the jeepney now. Come.
Oh, barbecue!
I would like to have now Filipino barbecue.
Filipino barbecue.
How I wish we were in Bukwana, and it was in Pinas.
Was so
Pinas
cheap.
was
so
cheap
delicious.
and it was
No, not
nice.
cheap, it's much cheaper than
Yeah,
here.
much cheaper compared to here.
I like to smell it just now. Yes,
Yes.
with the magical sauce. Filipino sauce.
Yeah, and we hope to soon do another barbecue.
With the
The
jeepney.
barbecue vlog. Yeah, maybe we can go somewhere. I don't know.
I think your vlog was watched 41,000 times, I think.
And I
Wow.
hope you also watch the coming ones. Yes.
Yes, please.
I can still smell it from here.
Really?
I'd rather have Filipino barbecue than go to McDonald's. To be very honest. It's real food.
Delicious food. And if you enjoy this,
Hey, but the car works, drives very nice. Even the gas pedal at that time was constantly stuck. And now it's like, here. So nice.
Wow.
And there's no sound anymore.
Yeah, indeed. There's no noise anymore.
We still have to change the oil, but we didn't do it at that place because when you go to the gas station, tip for you, have to go in here? A tip for you, of course not. Tip, if you go to a gas station, they usually give the service for free, else you might have to pay 1,000 pesos just to get the oil changed. But at a gas station, you only pay for the oil. So, yes. Yes, Philippines is nice! More from the Philippines! Yes, we're happy to be back. People already said, you look happier here. Yes, well, and that's even in a sweaty house at the moment. Can you imagine when we go to a greasy house?
Yeah. And if you enjoyed this vlog, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let's do it.
Yes.
Click the bell so you won't miss any
Hey, and this is,
video.
hey, don't forget, this is the Tapanok Wet Market. Soon we're gonna do a vlog also here again. Yes? And last time we were drinking, Viv and I were doing, apa? Tuba. And there was a very happy vibe there.
The orange
So,
tuba.
Maybe you can look it up. Wet Market, something of Market Tuba now. It's a nice vlog. We are selling, we were selling root beer wrappers at the time. So, you better check it out.
And share.
Do not forget to
Share with your enemies. And share with your enemies and friends and family.
and with your Lola and Lolo,
And with
Tita
your
wa
uncle
Tita,
and
your amiga amigo.
our grandpa. And with your friends. Grandma. With everybody you know. And if you haven't subscribed,
And I just want to say hello to all your overseas Filipino workers. Soon we're gonna do a special vlog with you guys. Something with a Christmas Eve dinner or something, and just connect with you guys. Because we know how it feels. We are also in the kind of way, we were always overseas Filipino workers, Vivian and the kids, and me, an overseas to a Filipino married worker. Because we used to live in Malaysia and in Indonesia, right? And I used to live also as a single in France. So I know the feeling, missing your home country, missing your family, friends, being homesick. So we want to do a special vlog for you. And I'm sure there are people who are saying, Rodney, pay attention when you're driving. I do. Yes, I have a proper driver license where you have to really do school for. So yes, and Vivian in the meantime is also paying attention.
Yes.
Yes. So, If you enjoyed this vlog and you haven't subscribed yet,
Here's subscribe. Here's more vlog. Here's extra for you. So keep watching.
watch it!